And guys, right before Red Square, we're gonna check out this beautiful and very expensive to build Zaradye, right by the Moscow River and right by next to Red Square. I visited it last summer. Let's see how is it lighted with Christmas lights and winter lights. Let's go. In this video, we walk you through Zaradye Park. We are greeted by guards, which is good. Safety is important. So right there we have some different colored balloons or balls. But we want to actually go up over here. That is cool. Oh my God, look at this winter wonderland. Good competition for St. Petersburg. So over here, this is that's Stalin's tooth, so to speak. Over there in the back, that is called Kotelnicheskaya embankment building. Whoa. All right, guys, we're moving on to the Panorama platform. Guys, I'm going to show you the wintry view of Moscow River. Hope you guys push likes, everybody. This is incredible. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Truly amazing, right? That's just one of the, I think, one of the 7 buildings in the back. There's gonna be actually much more. Hotel Kiev, for example, near Moscow City. Let's see if I'm able to go up and film it for you guys. Alright guys, the main location for this place is the very tip of this panorama walk. As you can see already here, some awesomeness. Man, everybody must visit Moscow once, at least once in a lifetime. All right, guys, take a look at this. Oh my God. That's an epic view, guys. Right, so we are gonna be now at the very, very tip of this place, guys. And the Moscow River is fully frozen. Guys, we have the panorama view of Moscow River right here in Moscow City, and it's absolutely gorgeous. By the way, check out these, what you call those, factory fumes. So during the summertime, I actually had a boat cruise on this, and it's not comparable to St. Petersburg, no way, but it's still cool. It is Moscow. All right, guys, let's look to the other side. And here you can see actually the Kremlin over here. Right, guys, right here from Moscow. Push likes, subscribe to the channel. This is Igor in Russia. Moscow during the winter time. Subscribe to your foreigner Igor in Russia. This is the awesome adventure that I'm on. Please join me and watch all the series from Moscow and other places of Russia. You won't believe me, but despite this is like a super visited place, these walkways, the path is super slippery, especially if you step on metal. It's like danger big time. I've seen many people almost slip up. So guys, we are walking now in Zaradye park. We're gonna check the other side. Oh my God, just as I spoke about slippery, being slippery, almost fell, guys. And right now, guys, as you might know, there are some difficulties for people to get some insurances for their visas for some countries, especially during these times, quote unquote. Right, guys, more platforms here blocked off for now. During the summertime, for sure open. You could have like a private walk right now. I would not mind. Tons of people, guys. Whoa, and this is like here in the park, a place for leisure and eating. So this is probably quite expensive though, like a food court. This is first of all Moscow, and second of all, this is like the epicenter of tourism right next to Kremlin. So I'm sure the prices are high. Man, I saw some like Afghans maybe, or in their traditional clothes. Just look at this, guys. Beautiful. Let's go through this color wonderland. Wow. My God. Guys, we can actually just walk through this place right now like this. Check it out. Yeah, gotta admit this place is awesome, right? Oh my god, this is a cool visual effect, guys. So this is probably some kind of an exhibition space. Yes, it's called Media Center. The city is so beautiful that just like last time, I'm not gonna go and spend my time inside the buildings. And the weather is actually pretty warm, and I don't mind it at all. So that's Большой Устинский most, right? Not familiar with the Moscow names. Man, beautiful lights everywhere. And that's St. Basil Church in the back, guys. Amazing. Yes, it's called Media Center. The city is so beautiful that just like last time, I'm not gonna go and spend my time inside the buildings. And the weather is actually pretty warm, and I don't mind it at all. Most, right? Not familiar with the Moscow names. Man, beautiful lights everywhere. And that's St. Basil Church in the back, guys. Amazing. Guys, if you wanna rock the foreign agent cap like me, go to Igor's Russian shop and get yourself one, or you can also have a foreign agent's hoodies, t-shirts, pullovers. Same thing with Igor, other merch, Igor and Russian merch, Russian emblems. Go check it out, and you can actually, if you like what you see, that's a good place to start and support, of course, the channel, guys. Go check out Igor's Russian store. And you can order it to any place in the world, not restricted to any sanctions yet.